G'day guys and welcome back, and today as you'll see we've got another little chainsaw project. This is a relatively disassembled Husky 142 it is. And as you'll see there, what's meant to be the rest of the parts, and I'm hoping it is in that box, but this little saw was apparently taken apart for fuel lines and never got put back together. So today I'll be putting it back together, hopefully getting it running with new fuel lines and whatnot. This is a not a bad saw and in not bad condition by any means. Honestly, everything here looks pretty unabused, and it all seems to be in fairly good shape. It has got some sun damage, but apart from that, it's looking pretty good. So we're going to chuck this thing back together and see if we can get it to light off. Rightio, I'm getting back onto the little Husky 142, and thankfully I finally had Husky style bars and chains arrived, which should hopefully finish off this saw. So I'm going to take it outside, start it up as is, and just check that it oils all well and good. And then we're going to chuck these on. These are Hurricane brand, which they're pretty affordable, and I don't mind the quality. It seems to be pretty good. And we'll chuck these on and take it out, take it for a test cut, and then we'll give it a clean and go from there. So let's get into it. Alright, that's about as far as I can go with this for the moment. It needs the band replaced for the chain brake because it's worn off or broken in there. I don't know what's actually happened in there, but I need to replace that, and I need to get the tool for tuning these because they're that silly anti-tamper kind of screw, which is annoying. But anyway, I'll order both of those and hopefully those can get on the way, and that'll finish this thing off because it seems to cut pretty well. So, the little Husky 142. This thing went pretty decent. Just a basic reassemble, carb rebuild, fuel lines, a few other little bits and bobs like that chain brake band you saw us do, and obviously a tune-up it needed pretty badly. And yeah, this thing cuts really well. I ended up dropping that idle just a tick, and these little Huskies are pretty dependable little saws. All these little ones that look around the same era by Husqvarna, around the same size, are pretty similar apart from some minor internal things, and to be honest, I would take them over a small still any day. They're just so dependable. But you guys can argue with me in the comments about that, or argue with each other. I probably won't argue with you, but whose brand name's the best. But anyway, as always, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed, and I will see you next time.